Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're as passionate about creating beautiful, functional spaces as we are, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the incredible world of biophilic design, a transformative approach that brings the beauty and benefits of nature indoors. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is biophilic design? At its core, it's all about connecting people with nature through thoughtful and strategic design choices. The term biophilia refers to our innate human tendency to seek connections with the natural world. Biophilic design taps into this by incorporating natural elements into our indoor spaces, creating environments that nurture our well-being, creativity, and productivity. One of the simplest ways to integrate biophilic design is through greenery. Adding plants to your home or office doesn't just make the space look beautiful. It also improves air quality, reduces stress, and boosts your mood. Think beyond potted plants, consider vertical gardens, hanging planters, or even large trees for an impressive statement. And if you're short on time for plant care, low-maintenance options like succulents or artificial greenery can still provide a touch of nature. But biophilic design isn't just about plants. It's about embracing natural light, textures, and materials. Let's talk about lighting. Maximizing natural light is a cornerstone of biophilic spaces. Large windows, skylights, and sheer curtains can help flood a room with sunlight, making it feel warm and inviting. To complement natural light, choose warm ambient lighting that mimics the sun's glow. Avoid harsh artificial lighting where possible. It can disrupt our natural rhythms and leave us feeling drained. When it comes to materials, think organic. Wood, stone, bamboo, and cork are excellent choices for furniture, flooring, and accents. These materials not only bring an earthy aesthetic, but also provide tactile comfort. Running your hand along a smooth wooden table or walking barefoot on a textured stone floor creates a sensory connection to nature. Incorporating materials like wool or cotton in your textiles can also amplify the natural vibe. Color plays a pivotal role in biophilic design. Nature-inspired hues like greens, blues, browns, and soft neutrals can evoke a sense of calm and connection. You can go bold with a statement wall in forest green, or keep it subtle with earthy accents like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. Don't be afraid to experiment. Biophilic design is as much about creativity as it is about nature. Let's not forget the power of water elements. A small indoor fountain or an aquarium can introduce soothing sounds and visual interest. Water has a calming effect and is known to reduce stress levels, making it a perfect addition to a biophilic space. If installing a water feature isn't feasible, even photographs or paintings of water can evoke similar feelings of tranquility. Another important aspect of biophilic design is creating a sense of flow and harmony within the space. Open layouts that allow for free movement and clear sightlines can make a room feel more expansive and connected to its surroundings. Strategic furniture placement can also guide the eye toward natural focal points, such as a window view or a striking plant arrangement. For those of you who love technology, don't worry. Biophilic design doesn't mean you have to give up modern conveniences. Smart home systems can be seamlessly integrated into biophilic spaces. Imagine automated blinds that adjust to the sun's position, or temperature controls that mimic outdoor conditions. Technology can enhance our connection to nature when used thoughtfully. One fascinating case study comes from an office building in Singapore. The designers incorporated lush vertical gardens, natural ventilation, and water features throughout the building, transforming it into a biophilic haven. Employees reported increased job satisfaction, reduced stress, and even better physical health. It's a powerful example of how biophilic design can positively impact not just individuals but entire communities. The biophilic design also aligns beautifully with sustainability. By using renewable materials, repurposing furniture, and designing spaces that encourage energy efficiency, you're not only creating a healthier environment for yourself, but also contributing to the planet's well-being. It's a win-win scenario that reflects a holistic approach to living. If you're looking to get started with biophilic design in your own space, start small. Introduce a few plants, open up your windows to let in more natural light, or incorporate some natural textures like jute or rattan. You'll be amazed at how these simple changes can transform your environment. For those of you with a creative streak, consider DE projects. Build a terrarium, craft a driftwood sculpture, or design your botanical artwork. These personal touches not only make your space unique, but also deepen your connection to the natural elements within it. And biophilic design isn't limited to residential spaces. Schools, hospitals, and public buildings are increasingly adopting these principles to create environments that promote learning, healing, and community engagement. Imagine a classroom filled with natural light and greenery, or a hospital waiting room with calming water features. These spaces don't just look good, they feel good. Let's dive deeper into how biophilic design benefits our mental health. Studies show that spending time in nature reduces cortisol levels, lowers blood pressure, and improves mood. When we bring these natural elements indoors, we replicate those benefits, making our homes and workplaces sanctuaries of well-being. This is especially important in today's fast-paced world, where stress and burnout are all too common. One particularly effective technique is using biophilic patterns. These are design elements that mimic nature's forms and processes. Think leaf motifs, wave-like curves, or fractal patterns. Incorporating these into your decor, whether through wallpaper, textiles, or architectural details, can create a sense of connection and calm. Now, let's talk acoustics. Sound plays a significant role in biophilic design. Natural sounds like birdsong, rustling leaves, or flowing water can enhance a space's ambience and promote relaxation. If you live in a noisy urban area, consider soundscaping with recordings of natural environments. Pair this with soft furnishings to absorb harsh noises and create a serene atmosphere. Another tip is to create zones within your space that cater to different needs. A cozy reading nook by the window, a vibrant plant-filled dining area, or a calming meditation corner with soft lighting and natural textures. Zoning helps you maximize the functionality of your space while maintaining a strong connection to nature. As we look ahead to 2025, biophilic design continues to evolve. Designers are finding new ways to incorporate technology, sustainability, and nature into seamless, harmonious spaces. From biophilic architecture that integrates entire ecosystems to smart furniture that adapts to natural light, the future is bright and green. Biophilic design is also making waves in office spaces. In recent years, more companies have embraced this design philosophy to boost employee well-being and productivity. Offices with biophilic elements such as living walls, large windows with views of greenery, and indoor gardens have shown remarkable results in fostering creativity and reducing absenteeism. These environments also encourage collaboration by providing employees with a sense of comfort and relaxation. Think about meeting rooms with calming water or breakout areas surrounded by lush plants. Even the use of natural materials for desks and seating can make a significant difference in how employees feel and perform. The idea is to create a workspace that mirrors the restorative qualities of the outdoors while maintaining the functionality of a professional setting. Another exciting application of biophilic design is in urban apartments with limited outdoor access. Incorporating modular plant walls, balcony gardens, or even skylights can transform a small living space into a serene escape. Designers are also exploring the use of augmented reality, Arkansas, to simulate natural environments, further pushing the boundaries of biophilic design in constrained urban settings. Hospitals are another sector benefiting from biophilic design. Studies show that patients in rooms with natural light and views of greenery recover faster and require less medication than those in more conventional settings. Some hospitals have even introduced healing gardens, providing patients and their families with peaceful outdoor spaces to relax and recharge. By merging nature with healthcare, biophilic design is contributing to both physical and emotional recovery. In schools, biophilic classrooms are becoming a game changer for student engagement and learning outcomes. Natural light, plants, and calming decor help reduce stress and improve focus among students. Teachers also report feeling more energized in such environments. Imagine the impact of a curriculum taught in a setting that embraces the best of the natural world. It's a win-win for both students and educators. If you're looking for inspiration, consider visiting spaces that have successfully implemented biophilic design. Botanical gardens, eco-friendly hotels, and even some shopping centers now incorporate biophilic principles to enhance visitor experiences. These can spark ideas for how you can bring similar elements into your own home or workplace. Finally, let's talk about the role of mindfulness in biophilic design. Creating spaces that encourage mindfulness, like a meditation room with soft natural light and soothing textures, can significantly improve your overall well-being. These areas serve as a retreat where you can reconnect with yourself and nature, even in the busiest of settings. One emerging trend is the integration of biophilic design into co-working spaces. As remote work and freelancing become more common, shared office spaces are adopting biophilic principles to attract tenants and foster creativity. Incorporating greenery, natural light, and organic materials into these shared environments enhances productivity and creates a sense of well-being for workers. These co-working spaces often feature living walls, open layouts, and calming natural elements to inspire collaboration and reduce stress. By blending functionality with the restorative qualities of nature, biophilic co-working spaces cater to diverse professionals seeking balance and creativity in their work environments. In addition to fostering a healthier atmosphere, these spaces often encourage a sense of community. Shared relaxation areas with comfortable nature-inspired decor promote interaction and networking, while quiet corners with biophilic elements provide ideal settings for focused work or reflection. This balance of social and solitary spaces allows co-working hubs to meet varied professional needs. Biophilic co-working spaces are also leading the way in sustainable practices. Many incorporate renewable materials, energy-efficient systems, and even on-site gardens to cultivate fresh produce or herbs for communal use.